A new NASA system gives Earth just 5 days to prepare for a collision with a celestial body. We're talking about asteroids, meteors, comets coming in for an Earth impact. The device is designed to detect objects from space, such as asteroids, in time to allow Earth to deal with objects that threaten our existence. NASA's system is known as SCOUT, and its job is to detect extraterrestrial objects moving near our Earth. According to an article published by Specialized Space Issues for the Detection of Extraterrestrial Objects Near the Earth, NEOs, for the acronym in English, Near Earth Objects. According to an article published by the specialist website Universe Today, the new device is designed to detect asteroids 5 days before they begin to threaten our Earth. And according to the article, this margin of 5 days is much longer than a few hours needed to make the necessary arrangements and preparations to prevent an imminent disaster, such as mobilizing resources, protecting critical infrastructure, such as closing of nuclear facilities, and of course, the evacuation of people. The SCOUT system successfully passed the test as it identified asteroid UR36, about 25 meters long, which is moving towards Earth but will pass within 498,000 kilometers of our planet. Such a system would have been very useful back in 2013 when a meteorite fell in Russia's Chelyabinsk province, causing extensive property damage and injuring more than 1,200 people. Hard work in the space to defend space. Now, the system includes the Panoramic Telescope and Rapid Response System, PANSTARS. It's located in Hawaii, and it detects celestial objects approaching our planet and sends the alarm signal, which is then processed by the main unit of the device. In total, in recent years, NASA has analyzed approximately 15,000 objects approaching our Earth, and of these, 600 have been classified as large earthbound bodies, although many more are believed to exist in space. Therefore, in addition to SCOUT, NASA also runs other systems to analyze asteroids. For example, the Sentry system focuses on analyzing celestial objects that are larger than 140 meters, that's about 350, 400 feet, which could hit the Earth, causing great destruction. These systems will allow us to better prepare and increase our chances of surviving a major collision. Now, they don't say in the event of something coming at us how they calculate or how they expect to somehow deter that from happening or change the trajectory of that celestial object from coming at us. And this I've translated from a Greek article. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.